By using these different drawing commands, we can create unique and advanced objects or drawing inside of the AutoCAD. So first, let's try the line tool. To use this tool, just hover to this corner and click line. So as you can see, there is an instruction on how to create or to use the line command, as well as the different drawing commands. For the first is the line. Let's click the line and let's create a random line. So in order to create a line, you have to specify your first point. As you can see here in the command ribbon or command line. So it says that line specify first point. So let's click a point and specify next point, or we can undo our command or our line tool. So for this time, let's select the second or the another point to create a single line. So as you can see, we are now creating a line. It's either a straight horizontal line or a straight vertical line. We can also draw line which is inclined or slanted line. Okay, let's first create a horizontal straight line. Okay, then let's press enter on the keyboard. Okay, so as you can see, we have now created a horizontal straight line. So let's create another line. Let's create a vertical line. Click line, select first point, then draw it vertically. Select the second point. Press enter on the keyboard to accept the command. Okay, we have already created or drawn a vertical straight line. Okay, lastly, we will create an inclined or slanted line. Click line, select first point, then you can create or you can select a slanted or inclined line. Select the second point, hit enter on the keyboard to accept the command. Okay, we have now created three types of lines. So we have the horizontal line, we have the vertical line, and we have the slanted or inclined line. Okay, so that is how simply to draw lines inside of the AutoCAD. Okay, let's erase these objects by highlighting and deleting by pressing delete on the keyboard. We will now create a polyline next to our line command. So to create a polyline, just click Polyline tool. So a polyline class is a series of connected line. So let's first pick the first point, starting point, click, and we can choose whether it is a slanted, inclined line, horizontal line, or vertical line. So let's first make a horizontal line. Select second point, then we will create another line which is a vertical line. Then lastly, we're going to create an inclined line. We'll just have to connect this line to our endpoint. Okay, then hit enter on the keyboard to accept or escape the command. So as you can see, we have already created an object, a triangle shape. So this object is a polyline. So I have said a polyline is a series of connected lines. Okay, so we have a group of lines or a single object composed of three or several lines. So that is how to create a polyline. So let's select this one and hit delete on the keyboard to erase or to delete the object. On the next part of this video tutorials, we're going to use and create the different objects using the different drawing commands in AutoCAD. So see you on the next video series.